What's up, everyone? We are heading off to Detroit for the first time in our going out-of-state history ever with the Bolts, and we're stoked. What do you mean? So, we gotta go on the plane, and we better hurry up if we don't want to get stranded here.
We are in a candy store.
I think someone happened today. Yes. Yes.
You're like, no.
You should have like a gunfight here.
I want candy. We're in Detroit right now. Just got here. It's snowing. Yeah.
YouTube has videos.
YouTube. What's up, YouTube?
Oh. It's snowing.
That's why Santa never gets sick.
Oh, God. So it is our second day in Michigan, Detroit, and it is snowing 8 inches today. And it's really, really cool. It's really, really cold. And hopefully we're going to have a lot of fun exploring on our free day.
We're at my favorite store, Walmart. We're going to buy mini, cheap shoes. So many shoes will be like parasailing.
Baby, it's cold outside. I want to go.
Hey everyone, it's the Bolts, and we're in Detroit, Michigan right now, ready to play the Magic Stick. We'll be playing with the Bowles Huff Band. Miss you guys, we love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting us and everything. Woo-hoo-hoo! It's cold. It's cold. Now you're mine, we'll find the time to chase the stars, to fly to Mars, to make the world ours, to steal the sky. Don't ask me why, just put your hand in mine. When I'm in love, I lose my mind. I do it every single time. Ba-da-ba-ba, ba-da-ba-ba. Heath, where are we? Where are we going right now?
We're going to the mall.
In Detroit.
We've been going to the mall for 5 hours.
I think that.
Want a picture of me looking at you? Now drop that. Drop that.
We're in Ramulus. Where are we?
We're in Romulus.
Ramen noodles.
We're in Ramulus.
Ramadan.
I think.
Noodles.
No, that's not Ramadan.
Ramadan.
We're in Ramadan, and we're going to. I don't know where we're going. We're going to dinner or something.
Magic stick.
Lunch.
Actually, lunch.
I only have one glove.
Michael.
I only have one glove. I only have one glove.
What was that?
As you can see, we are on the planet Krypton. It's very confusing sometimes.
Face angel in the snow. Wait, hold up.
Are you kidding?
I want to see my face.
The snow is like a little hard to go through, but it was fun. You could make snowballs and throw them at people and mess up stuff. And then hot sauce. Then mix up stuff. Then drink hot sauce. And that's all.
We used to have it all. A picture perfect love, it's called.
Heather Farmer? No, it's Heath. That's what it says on
Where
the
does
ticket.
it say Heather? Oh, she said Heather.
It's because the hat. We almost didn't make the plane home.
Ah.